my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these Christmassy sort of earrings, and I didn't even realize that this part wasn't even in focus, but what I did was, for my Christmas tree I made a line down the center of where I wanted my tree to be, and then I just made 3 triangles underneath for the branches. Then I also put some dots for snow.
Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Birds flying high. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel.
So for my second pair, this is kind of like a dead tree with snow and Santa Claus and all your hopes and dreams. I'm just kidding. So I started by making a thick branch at the bottom, and then I just branched out making other little branches.
It's a new life for me, yeah, it's a new life for me.
I also didn't realize that my big fat hand was in the way, so once again I'll talk you through what I was doing. So I made a star with my needle tool, and then I did like a little outline box sort of thing for the Santa's sleigh, and then just dots for the reindeers. Then I also decided to be kind of fancy, and then I put a little bit of snow at the bottom of my earring. So for my last pair of earrings, once again my big fat hand is in the way, but I pretty much just started off by making little hills of snow at the bottom of my earrings, like so. Then I did the same sort of outline box for my Santa's sleigh, and then once again dots for the little reindeers. So for this pair, I was trying to be kind of artsy and make like a Christmas wreath, but I failed miserably, so I ended up scrapping it after 10 minutes. Then you want to bake your earrings, and then after baking you want to glaze them. So I'm using polyurethane glaze, but you can use anything that you normally use to glaze. So here are my earrings all finished and beautiful. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys so much for watching.